Hello and welcome back. I recently released a video with my kitchen before and after, and I showed the whole process, and that is definitely worth watching if you want to see 18 months in about 18 minutes. So I will put the link here or here, I forget. I'll let you look at that if you want to see. But just because I said I was finished with my kitchen doesn't mean I'm ever actually finished with my kitchen. So just saying, when it's your own house, it never stops because you keep thinking of more ideas. So we're gonna talk about this area right here today. And I knew that I wanted to try to make something work here. There are some challenges, which I'll show you in a second. But my idea is that I could do big serving platters on a plate rack, just a really shallow one, not very deep, and have them all here. I have a lot of platters and I don't use them that much. I mean, I use them for some decor, and I really want them when we have company and I'm doing huge platters of food. And so they're normally just collecting dust up on a shelf in my laundry room, but I want to use them better. And so if you have a space like this, like the end of a cabinet, a really tall cabinet, or you have a kind of a narrow little wall area in your house that's kind of off to the side of a dining room or off to the side of the kitchen or something, that is the perfect place to build one of these plate racks. So I'm gonna show you some of the platters that I have, and then let's look at some designs, and I need to get my ideas to Colby so we can start building. The thing that concerns me is how tight this is. So, I mean, I don't even have a true door jamb. It's not equal even on both sides. So I feel like I'm crowding the space a little bit. I also need to do the top edges nicely so that it's not just a board, sticking out here and then doesn't have a good finish up at the top. So I'm thinking of some ideas how I can make this look good. I also need to consider this little piece that's sticking out. I'm not saying I know what I'm doing, I'm just gonna try. Now, I wanna share with you the different pieces that I've been collecting over time from thrift stores and antique stores, things that I've inherited that I think might look good in my new plate rack. So we've got some pretty little, what are these, muffin tins? Oh, looks like I paid $3 for that. These aren't muffin tins. Are they called tart pans? I don't know, but they are pretty. I have a little bit bigger one. I like the age of this one. Super cute. I thought I would organize hair ties and things in this, and then I never did. So if I don't use these in this kitchen idea, I'll probably put these in my craft closet. Okay, this is definitely one of my favorites. I've shared this before. This was a platter that I bought at the Brimfield flea market, and it was that moment right when Queen Elizabeth died in England, and it rippled through the crowd what had just happened, and everybody turned and they bought something in honor of the Queen, and this was mine. This beautiful old platter. I feel like it could be 150 years old. Really beautiful. The Brimfield flea market is the best antique show I have ever been to. True antiques, not junk, not collectibles, true antiques from Europe and all over the country. And I'm taking a group of women to shop the Brimfield flea market this May. We're doing a 4-day retreat, and that's one day. It's part of the Bespoke design retreat. We have so many incredible, beautiful classes and meals and gifts and things planned for that group. So I still have a few tickets left if you would like to join us for the Bespoke design retreat, and we could go shopping for some more treasures together. I will put the link in the description below. This is a large platter, very large, and I thrifted this one. I mean, it's not an antique, but I love the size of it. Oh, here's an even bigger one. This is like Thanksgiving turkey size. And again, not an antique, but I love that it's huge and I love that it's just a real basic color, right? Okay, the next 3 are actually wedding gifts. We've been married almost 30 years. We got this silver platter. Definitely want to polish these. And then this guy with an actual bowl in the middle, which I really love. This I inherited from my aunt. Everything needs to be polished up. I love a bunch of silver platters together. It's very Downton Abbey to do that. So we're gonna get that one. This is a regular size dinner plate. I don't know how this made it into the stack, but has a little bit of like acorn and oak leaf detailing on the edge there. So that's what we're gonna style up. That's the goal. I need to figure out how deep these are, how deep our shelving needs to be, how high the dowels need to be. So I have a little bit of math to do.
Not really stuck on this bottom one, or a cleat. Unless I did a cleat all the way.
Colby just went out to the shop with the wood that we bought at Home Depot. He's getting it all cut and we're gonna start installing it here. Now it's late afternoon and I'm getting a little tired, but I'm not reaching for a coffee. I am reaching for my Glow Super Powder. It doesn't have caffeine in it, so you don't have the crash. It has theobromine and ashwagandha in it. But it's way more than that. It's a daily hydration product, so you mix it with water, but the best part is it is formulated specifically to support women's hormonal health, because every woman I know is struggling with depression, anxiety, fatigue, hair loss, hot flashes, you name it. We need to deal with deficiencies and underlying issues. And so that's the heart behind this product. You've got 4 different flavors. They're all fantastic. The packets are perfect for your purse or your gym bag. And this is a perfect blend of vitamins and minerals and antioxidants to support fluctuations in metabolism. There's no gluten, no dairy. I already said no caffeine. It is sweetened with stevia, so they've really thought of everything. I know that my hair is way thicker from using it. My nails have stopped chipping, which happened after menopause. So I'm so thankful for this product. If you or anyone you know is dealing with PCOS, thyroid issues, PMS, or just like you don't feel like yourself anymore, you need to try Glow Super Powder. They're having a limited time only deal, and you can use my code DEARLY to get up to 35% off when you use the link in my description below. The spacing is 18 inches. We thought a lot about the size of our platters and the depth that we wanted to be careful of. So these are 3 inches. We bought them, as one piece. We didn't have to cut those. So 3 inches, 3 inches. The space between the shelves is 18 inches, and then the dowels are going to be 5 inches.
So that's
above the shelf. This is looking really good.